Good morning everyone. I hope you all are keeping good health. Today we will do English and the topic is small a to L. First of all, mention the date at the top. Mom will do it for you. We will start from this side. Okay. Make a C. A बनाने के लिए भी पहले आप C बनाओ like this. Okay. Go to the upper side and come down. Stop here. Okay, then B. Make one standing line in 3 lines and give a curve. Give a curve. C in middle 2 lines, you know it very well. Small c, right? D बनाने के लिए भी पहले same C इधर बनाते हैं. It will be easy for you. Okay. Then make a standing line adjoining with C, right? E. ई बनाने के लिए भी पहले सी बना लो. इट इज़ वेरी इजी ना. एंड गिव अ गोल लूप एट द टॉप साइड ऑफ द सी. एफ मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन, गिव अ स्लाइड कर्व and make a slipping line, small slipping line in the middle of the standing line, right? G बनाने के लिए भी पहले हम C बनाएं. Okay, then make a standing line and come down to the last line, then give a curve. Stop here, right? H make standing line and give a curved one. I standing line in middle 2 lines and give a dot at the top. I. J make a standing line from second line to the last line and give a curve, slide curve. Stop here and give a dot at the top. K make standing line from top to the third line, right? And give a slanting line in 2 middle lines only. Okay, like this, like this. L make standing line only for L. Now look at some important points. Don't make tail of A. Okay. B, curve of B should not be like this. And C, make a proper practice of C. C will be help you in many letters. Okay. D is very easy. If you can make C na, then D is very easy for you. Make C first, then make a standing line. Okay, don't confuse between C, B and D. Okay, D is very similar with C. Okay, and E. ऐसे नहीं. Okay, curve should be proper like this. Okay. F, be careful while making F. ये कर्व लाइन के ऊपर से ना आए. ओके, स्लाइट भी लाइन के ऊपर से हो गया तो ये फॉर्मेशन मिस्टेक में काउंट हो जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर? जी, कोई भी जी को प्लीज़ ऐसे नहीं बनाएगा. इट इज़ रॉन्ग. ओके, follow the accurate formation of G in this way. Okay, G आपने ऐसे भी नहीं बनाना, इसको इसके साथ टच नहीं करना. Okay, give a gap. C, then 1 and give a gap. Stop here. H, it is not correct. ये 7 टाइप नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be curved like this. Okay, I is very easy, but be careful while making dot. Dot should not be here, dot should not be there, and dot should not be at the top of the line. It should be in the middle of the line like this, right? J, if you will make from the top line, it will be completely wrong. If you will make J in this manner, it will be wrong. You will start J from the second line to the last line and this in this manner. Okay. K. लाइन के बाहर आओगे, formation mistake. Okay. If you will come from this side, it will also come in formation mistake. Formation mistake. Give a proper gap. Give a proper gap. Okay. L. Be careful. If you will make L in the slide coming out of the line, then it will be wrong. So be careful in 3 lines only. Okay. So do practice of A to L 2 times. Okay. Do practice of A to L 2 times. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.